So we're going to be glazing 3 mil single glass. So first thing we want to do is peel our foam. And then we just start our first row and stamp that I like to keep on the bottom right or bottom left. Then we just line up the bottom. Make sure it's level and square. You can always adjust a little bit. And just get your next piece. If you were going to do this in the rain, then I would suggest that you put your cap on right after and do glass cap, glass cap. But it's kind of a nice hot day. And it sticks pretty good. So this is your beside door on a single glass, but I can show you on this side. So you'll see there's a track right here. That's for your glass to sit in. Then it'll sit nice and flush and level. If you put it in that second track, it's not going to sit as well. So after you get your beside door piece in, you're going to want this plastic H-came, and we just insert it on the top, right down. So now we got our first row in. On our instruction drawing, there should be a glass sketch, and it'll show you the cap sizes that you use and the glass sizes that go in. So with 3 mil, you can use a drill. I like a hand drill. I like either. This is a little safer, that you can really find that pressure. And what I suggest is it's tight, and then you just give it a quarter turn. Again, if you want to use a drill, you can use a drill. You just have to set your clutch accordingly. And as you can see, I'm not pinning this top hole quite yet, because this system is an overlapping system, so we're going to have a cap that goes on top of that one. Now we're getting ready for our second row. So I got this one sort of off. I'm going to put this one this way. So on. Looking for my stamp or my tattoo there. Put it in. Put that one over like that. Line this one up. Now we know our glass isn't going to go anywhere. Again, we're leaving this hole for now. And we go and tighten up the bottom. Now I'm not sure if you can see, there's a little bit of a sandiness to the glass. And that's the silica that they put on it in the factory. And it just sort of keeps it dry, keeps it from staining. And when it gets packed in together, it won't stick. Wash it off, just use a garden hose. And as I'm doing these overlaps, this glass is setting nicely onto the cap up top. And that gives us a nice even overlap. So on this drawing, it calls for a fan here. So a fan will be a piece of plexiglass with a hole in it. The fan will come later. And there's no wrong way to put this in, it's all even. So we can't quite put this one down yet, so we're just gonna keep it like so and just move along.